Today's breaking news is we will show you how to download vehicle mode of Mr. Craft in TL Launcher. First, open your browser. Oh, wow. Then type Mr. I will share you the link in description. You can see from it.
It is description, not discrimination.
Hey. Then scroll down and see if there is any scooter sign. Then it is the vehicle mode of Mr. Craft.
Fish.
Click on it. Remove the ad. Then go down.
And our version is 1.16.3. So we are downloading of for 1.16.3.
Yes.
Okay. You can see there is the mode, and it is written it can harm your device. So you have to click in these three dots and click on keep. Okay. Then we have to go back with the arrow, then one more back, and then we have to also download Obfuscate for the vehicle mode. And then we have to scroll down, and our version is 1.16.3, so we will download it again. It is downloading, you can see. Enjoy! You have to do the same with this also. Then we will open T Launcher. Oh Lord, 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 Lord.
1 minute, guys. Go to the version list and set it to the
for 1.16.3 or it will not work. Then we have to, what are you doing? Then we have to click on this file option. Okay, click and then scroll up, and there is a folder of modes. If there is not, then you can make it yourself. You have to click on the modes folder. We have already put it the modes for 1.12.2. We are removing it.
Yes.
Then
Go to your downloads. See if there is any this.
modes.
Pick out from this. Keep it in desktop. Then back to this arrow. You are in modes folder. Then select this and put into this.
This is not necessary. We can delete it also. We can delete it also.
I have deleted. This is not necessary for.
It is when we have put in many modes.
Yes.
Then we will click on enter the game, and now you can see it is running.
It is asking for this. Don't set your screen.
Okay, now. Lord, once again, poof. Oh, it is not done yet. Okay. It will take time, guys. Time. Be patient. I am patient. Very much patient. Ah! Let it take some time. We will rest. Oh yes, it started to work. Cool.
Now it will do faster than
The others.
okay.
Waiting for the scan. Constructing 5 more. Whoa! Registering Minecraft world. Block place. Type. This is all blah 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 blah. We can ignore it also. Only we have to see the mode. Nothing all this blah blah blah. It is not responding, guys. Oh yeah, yes, it is responding. Freezing data. Freezing data, freezing data, freezing data, freezing data. It is done. It is done. Yes, 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 yes. Now we
So we
will play
will show you how.
single player. Then we will. No, 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 no. Cancel, cancel. We will create a new world.
Yes, create a new one.
Uh,
Game mode creative if you want to see all of sheets
on.
preparing for world creation.
Oh my god! It will take two hours more. I am going for sleep. Good night. Only 40%. Yes, 73%. 100%. Joining world. Yes, now we can show you the modes. Oh my god.
So guys, press E, then go to this page,
As arrow, and
Arrow.
then click, and there is Magicraft vehicle mode, and
and you
there.
have got all the magic cards objects.
So guys, today's video was like this, and we are ending now.
Thanks for watching.